Hi guys, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how you connect stores through the Alveo app. It's really simple, and if you've ever worked with Shopify and had a Shopify partner request a connection to your store, this process will be very familiar. The key piece of information that you share between each other, if we go to the second tab where we have another store, is your .my Shopify address, which can be found in the admin. All we need of that .my Shopify address is the first part that I'm highlighting here. If we copy that, I can give you a little demo. So we're assuming that we're a merchant here and want to connect to another retailer, which is our Alveo connection store. We can either click connect to a new store, or we can come into store connections and click add a new store. You have two different types of connection that can be made. The most common will be merchant and retailer. A merchant who wants to export his products and allow a retailer to sell them, or we have a PIM connection. A PIM connection is a slightly different type of connection that allows you just to either export or import product data without any order or inventory information synced between the two stores. So if we just select merchant and retailer for the moment, and I want to connect to a retailer, you will notice also you can connect to a merchant. So whether you're a retailer or a merchant making the request to connect to a store, you have the ability to identify what type of store you're connecting to. So in this instance, I'm a merchant and I'm requesting a connection from my retailer. All I need to do is provide in the store URL box the first part of the .my Shopify address. Click send request. I will then have an overview of the type of connection and the details of how that connection is going to work, which I can review. All I then need to do is confirm and send request. If we then come back to the dashboard, any pending requests and their status will be shown on the dashboard. So let's quickly go to that store that we were connecting to. If we go to apps and into the Alveo network app, the store that you've requested a connection to has a notification that the store named Alveo Merchant is requesting a connection type, and the connection type is merchant and retailer. And all that's need to do is to complete the connection between the two stores is click accept request. After that's done, the person that requested the request, if I do a quick refresh here, the notification is that they've accepted your request, and I can then go ahead and share my products and set up the relationship.